Guangzhou International Motor Show, the Kia Sportage facelift has just been launched for the Chinese market. However, the Chinese model differs from the one offered in other foreign markets. The look of the new Kia Sportage Ace is highly stunning, particularly the front end. A large tiger nose grille dominates the car's face. Even while the shiny black mesh isn't really attractive, it does look quite premium and extremely striking. It also has prominent turn signals, sharp-looking LED DRL, and headlights that effortlessly blend into it. The entire nose section is overlined by a horizontal silver finished bar, which further adds a touch of premiumness. At the rear, the vehicle sports a new design for the taillights, inspired by the Kia Telluride and Sorento. The rear bumper also gets a faux diffuser treatment, with orange accents and integrated dual exhausts. There is Sportage lettering on the tailgate, underlined by a chrome bar running horizontally, which looks brilliant. Inside, there have also been pleasant changes. New materials are used, air deflectors. The multimedia system screen has increased from 8 to 10.25 inches. In addition, the car has ditched the analog dashboard in favor of an all-digital one. Kia Sportage Ace is equipped with an adaptive cruise control system, all-round cameras, various electronic driver assistance systems. Kia Sportage Ace retained the wheelbase of 2,640 mm. While it is 70 mm larger than the previous model, the car has a length of 4,530 mm. The width and height are 1850 and 1,695 mm, respectively. Under the hood, the engine are offered a choice of a 2-litre naturally aspirated gasoline engine, with a capacity of 160 horsepower, and a 200 horsepower turbocharged engine with a volume of 1.5 litres. Thanks for watching, and leave your comments below.
Audio Jungle.